The first time I had chia pudding was just a couple years ago and I instantly fell in love with it. It makes for such a healthy and delicious breakfast. Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is add 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of chia seeds into a bowl. One thing that I love about this recipe, well, there's actually a lot of things that I love about this recipe, but probably the thing that I love the most is that it's really like a no-cook recipe. All we're doing is adding everything into a bowl, we're setting it aside for at least an hour, up to overnight, and then it's done. Next thing we're gonna do is add a cup of almond milk. It's really cool that you don't even have to boil these chia seeds. You just let them soak and they just kind of do their magic. There's a cup. Oh. Just shot almond milk into my eye. That's a first, by the way. Getting almond milk in your eye has not happened probably to many people. But next thing we're gonna do is add 1 teaspoon of honey. I mean, you really can eyeball it. I don't know why I'm measuring. Okay, there's 1 teaspoon and a little bit. I like to add a little bit more sweetness to my chia pudding just because I like most things sweet. But if you don't like sweetness, just dial back the honey. Next thing we're gonna do is add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla extract just gives a nice bit of extra flavor. I'm missing my baby whisk. Hang on, guys. Okay, got it. I got my baby whisk. I love my baby whisk. You probably see me use it in my videos a ton. It's just so nice and easy to work with. All we have to do next is give this a little bit of mix. A quick whisk, get everything nicely combined, and then we're done with the recipe. All you have to do next is set this bowl aside for 1 hour, up to overnight. You don't have to put it in the fridge to let it set, but you could if you wanted to. I would keep it out of direct sunlight, into kind of like open shade, room temperature, and you should be good. So let's set this aside. I'm gonna be back in an hour to show you how this chia pudding came out. All right, so it's been an hour and the chia seeds have completely set and it looks beautiful. So come on and get a shot of this. This is how I like my chia pudding, nice and thick like this. If you like your chia pudding a little bit more on the thinner side, I'm gonna show you how to do that, but this is how I love it. If you wanted a little bit of a thinner chia pudding kind of texture, what I would do is at this point, you can just add a little bit more almond milk into the mix, give it a quick whisk, and then you'll have a nice thinner version. All right, so let me show you how I like to plate my chia pudding. So first of all, you can take a mason jar or any kind of small bowl, just like this, dump it all in. So this is what I love to do with chia pudding. I love to layer it with fruit. First thing I'm gonna do is nuzzle some berries right in the bottom here with a little bit of bananas. And I kind of go all the way around the side, strawberry, banana, just like this. Then I do another layer of chia pudding on top of that. Then on the top, I love to do some nice blueberries. Just a couple right on top there. Just like that, with a little bit of granola to top the whole thing off. And there we go. Look at how beautiful this breakfast is. This could also be a dessert if you wanted it to be, but I super love chia pudding as a breakfast. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to give it a try. But before I do, if you've loved this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give this a try. I absolutely love the texture of this chia pudding. It is so delicious, and a little bit of berries with it makes it a little sweet. I love it so much, guys. I hope you try this recipe. I'll see you in the next video.